I have to say, congratulations. I don't know if you guys have heard, but Ron DeSantis, that's right, Ron DeSantis, the governor of Florida, has said that Florida insurance is no longer an issue.
My fellow Americans,
don't worry, he solved it. Him and the lawmakers of Florida have solved the problem. Insurance will not go up. Oh man, who would have ever saw this coming? Not me. Listen, guys, this is what he's saying. This isn't me saying this. This is what Ron DeSantis is saying. He is saying no longer is insurance a big issue in Florida. It's been stabilized. It will no longer go up. It's actually going to come down this year. And listen, I have the receipts to prove what he said. But my thoughts are, I don't trust you. That's my initial thoughts. I don't trust you.
I just don't trust none of y'all.
Please, I need to see this in writing. I need to see this passed as a law. I need to, you know what? My name is Orlando. Welcome to the channel, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because you're going to want to really watch this video. This is comical. Also, please check out my newsletter. It is free. How can you beat free? It will give you tons of valuable information. And also, if you need any type of financing that deals with commercial properties or investment financing, I am your guy. I've been a lender for almost 20 years, and I can assist you with that. Information is in the pinned comment in the description. Guys, let's jump straight into it.
For months, there were worries about steep increases, but today the governor traveled to South Florida to deliver good news about insurance rates. Some homeowners and some drivers will soon be paying less. And the night team Samantha Sosa is in West Miami-Dade, where the governor explained how that's possible. Samantha?
How is that
Greg,
possible?
that's right. The governor says that people with Citizens Insurance, that's the state-run insurance company, will see rate reductions. And that was unexpected because they recently asked for a rate increase. But the governor says that the insurance market down here in Florida has changed.
So did you hear that? Well, just on that little snippet, it's a little bit confusing, but he's saying it is only for individuals and citizens. And the reason why him and his crew have fixed the issue is because the insurance companies actually sent in a decrease instead of an increase. Now, if you've been watching my channel, guys, if you've been watching my channel, you would know that is very insurance company-like. Like, insurance companies don't do that. Insurance companies will not send you anything before they send you a letter saying, we're going to decrease your policy. They will not do anything before they send you something that says, we will decrease your policy, which will decrease the amount of money that you have to give us.
Addicted to heists.
That just doesn't seem right. More than likely, I would say the reason why, this is just Orlando talking. The reason why I would believe they would give you a decrease in the amount of money that you have to pay them is probably because the coverage, let's say that again, the coverage that they're going to offer you is going to be less.
Oh my God.
So that would make sense why the prices would decrease. But let's just give good old Ron DeSantis the benefit of the doubt and say that apples are apples. That's what he's comparing. He's not comparing two different policies. He's comparing same policies. They're just dropping the prices.
Get a load of this guy.
Before we give that analysis, let's go ahead and continue on to get a little bit more information.
Governor Ron DeSantis at FIU's Wall of Wind Wednesday, where materials are put to the test against hurricane-force winds, to announce that Floridians will likely see their insurance prices go down this year. He says 73% of Miami-Dade homeowners with state-run Citizens property insurance will have a rate decrease.
The average decrease for those Citizen policyholders will be 6.3%.
Oh. 6%?
Bruh.
I'm sorry. 6.3%. That's the decrease. Now, remember, he did say this is only for citizens, but based on the other news I read, he's saying private insurers are going to do this too. Now, I just want to make this clear, guys. I really want to make this crystal clear. If you believe that this won't get mixed up in a bunch of increases where at the end of the year, you will still come out with your insurance raised. Your insurance raised. If you believe that that won't happen, again, I have a time traveling rock. It's still for sale, guys. $100,000.
Shut up and take my money.
Here's another factor. What if I told you the decrease is just a headline? What if I told you that the decrease is just a headline? What if I told you the insurance companies actually raised up the price by 15, 20%? And all that Ron DeSantis is saying is, well, your prices will decrease because they did drop the price. They did drop the price by 6%. Yes, instead of it being 20%, it's going to be 14%. That's right, 14, but we're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about the increase part. We're just going to talk about the decrease part.
You know what I'm thinking. I'm in your brain. I know. Let's go fishing.
He also says 52% of Citizens homeowners in Broward County will receive an average 4.5% rate decrease.
We can't control storms. We can't control inflation nationwide. There's a lot of things that are beyond our control, but providing a solid marketplace is one.
The governor claiming policies passed by the Florida legislature have stabilized the insurance market here, and more companies are now in Florida allowing for more competitive pricing.
What? Did you hear what he said? I really want you to hear this.
There's a lot of things that are beyond our control, but providing a solid marketplace is one.
He said providing a solid marketplace. Now, would you think that providing a solid marketplace is providing an insurance that is state-run, that is insolvent? Would you say that is providing a solid marketplace, as he just stated? Again, these are his words, not mine. I'm just analyzing them and reading in between the lines. Do you believe that providing an insolvent state-run insurance company where you have hurricanes after hurricane, water damage, wind damage, are you telling me that providing a solid marketplace, meaning that if a disaster hits, which we know will happen, it's a guarantee that it will happen. It will happen.
It's coming! It's headed right for us! It's already here.
So that when individuals have to put in a claim, you can't pay it out.
And if you did have a major hurricane hit with a lot of Citizens property holders, it would not have enough to pay out.
Again, telling someone that the prices are going to drop in a state-run insolvent insurance company, when you put in claims, you probably won't even get it paid anyway. It's diabolical. Again, these companies, these politicians, they're not loyal. They're not going to tell you the truth. It's his political truth that prices are going down, but he's not telling you the other side of the story. He's not telling you insolvent company. He's not telling you they already increased it. He's not telling you there's going to be more increases this year. They're going to wash away any savings that you would have gotten from what he's talking about. And then it sounds like, this is only for Citizens. This is only for Citizens insurance that is a state run. It doesn't sound like it's for State Farm, Allstate, the private insurers. It doesn't sound like it's for them at all. Even though he's saying, yes, he's talked to those guys. Yes, they said that they are going to drop prices. But do we trust insurance companies to tell you the truth? Do we trust that Ron DeSantis, working with the insurance companies, is going to tell you the truth? No. Matter of fact, I can almost guarantee you that these corporations won't give you a time and date.
Yo, you about done? Tick-tock, mother...
I can almost guarantee you that these corporations won't actually do the cuts. They won't. It's just going to get washed away. Tomorrow's news. It's old news. Nobody knew about it. Oh, we're increasing 22%. Oh, we're increasing 30%, 50%. That's what's going to happen this year.
This is the reality. This is the real thing going on. This is, you know what I'm saying?
11 new companies have entered the market in the state of Florida over the last 2 years. California, that's not happening. And other states, it's not happening. You see companies that are leaving. You're never going to have a stable market if people don't want to come in and do business here.
The governor says more auto insurers are also entering the Florida market.
The legislature also smartly addressed some of the scams that were going on in auto insurance. They repealed assignment of benefits for auto glass repairs, which became a cottage industry.
Not only is he stabilizing home insurance, he's stabilizing auto insurance too. So the savings you guys are just gonna rack up in Florida. That's what he's saying. But if you watch me, and if you just do a little bit of research, you will realize nobody's gonna save any money. You still in Florida, you are gonna still pay ridiculous prices in insurance. That also means home insurance and auto insurance. Yes, I'm saying it. I'm calling it. Prices will continue to go up. And I know what Ron is saying here. He's saying, you know, all these people are coming into the marketplace and they're creating a marketplace, driving down competition. But what if I told you that at the end of the day, you wouldn't sign up for these insurance companies to begin with?
Huh?
I mean, let's be honest. I mean, these insurance companies, it's basically Ice Pick Willie, basically Cadillac Frank. You know, these guys are going to rake you over the coals. The insurance is going to be triple plastic. That's what triple plastic, not triple A, triple plastic. It's going to be worthless. It's going to be just as worthless as Citizens Insurance. And then they're going to charge you ridiculous premiums just for you to hand over to a police officer your insurance card that says Jerome's Insurance, which is a triple F, triple Z company. If you want to take those individuals who are jumping into the insurance marketplace and take these guys serious, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. These are not serious people.
Write it down and keep it for future reference.
One of the things that I tell you guys all the time that these politicians, insurance companies, accountants, everybody who deals with money and insurance is there's a lot of these number games where we can push accounting here, we can push accounting here. I can tell you a little piece here, but not tell you the rest of the story. That's the reason why I'm here. That's the reason why I'm here, letting you know, read in between the lines. These guys do not care anything about you. Zero. They treat you as a number. You need to do the same. Make sure you put you and your family first.
Amen.
He says soon Geico will give its customers a 10.5% rate decrease, Progressive an 8.1% decrease, and State Farm will give its customers a 6% rate decrease.
Crazy.
The governor did not say when these changes would go into effect, whether private companies are going to slash their insurance rates any further. We'll just have to wait and see.
So what? Did I hear her correctly? Did she just say there's nothing in writing? We don't know when this is going to happen. At the end of the day, we can just only hope, basically. So again, you have to trust a politician who trusts an insurance company. What are the chances that there is someone lying in that equation? What would you, what number would you give it? 100? That's what I would give it. It's 100% chance that Ron DeSantis is lying or an insurance company is lying. If you combine both of them, it's 200%. Now that's some good old politician math.
It's an evil world we live in.
But at the end of the day, guys, in all seriousness, you know, we try to make it entertaining here. We do jokes and things of that nature. But at the end of the day, honestly, this is going to be tough. It's going to continue to get worse before it gets better. Individuals who are currently dealing with insurance increases, dealing with car insurance increases. I know a lot of these guys are telling you that nothing will happen, that things will go down, that inflation and all this other stuff will come down. Interest rates will be back to 3%. You'll be back to getting a 2, 3, 4% car loan. They're telling you this, but I'm here to let you know that is very untrue. Things are just at the very beginning of bad. Again, let me say that one more time. Things are just at the very beginning of bad. We have all of this policies, unknown. Every day I wake up, this is approved. Oh, now we changed our mind. And then I look and see, oh, layoffs are happening. Then I see, oh, egg shortage. Prices are going up. Inflation is continuing to go up. Then you see all types of stories, gas, utilities, all of these things will continue to go up. So to believe that a governor who has never helped you out ever is going to come in and save you from this crisis, when these guys have literally said, I have shown you videos of them literally saying to you, we will not help you. We will not bail you out. We will not do anything to make this insurance crisis go away. They said that. So what makes them come around right now at the beginning of this year to tell you we're going to save you money? But when you really look at the whole picture, no one's saving anything. You want content like this and you want to go more into detail. You want to be surrounded by a community that cares about getting you to that next step, getting you to that next level. Let it be getting your credit together. Let it be doing real estate, whatever it may be. Go ahead and join the Patreon. You'll love it. So anyway, guys, you won't get all of your information from this one video. I need you to watch this video right here. Yes, this one right here. It will give you information on the housing market, financial news, get you into your first rental property. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.